Hello, in front of me I've got Cubot P50. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, go to Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First let's enter Transport Pass, and next select Transport Pass you would like to add to your account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Select Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select the shop, and enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it, all of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.